Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create simple formulas in Google Sheets in the easiest way possible, even if you've never done it before. So first, open your Google Sheets by going to sheets.google.com and open your file or create a blank one. Google Sheets is like a calculator, but more powerful. Every box is called a cell, and we use formulas inside those cells to do automatic calculations. So let's say in cell A1 you type the number 5, and in cell A2 you type the number 10. If you want Google Sheets to add these numbers together, you don't need to type the answer yourself. Just click on another cell, maybe A3, and type this, equals sign, then A1 plus A2. So type this, equals A1 plus A2, then press enter. Immediately, Google Sheets will calculate it for you. If you want to subtract, it is the same method. You type equals A1, A2. If you want to multiply, type equals A1 times A2. And if you want to divide, type equals A1 divided by A2. Now, if you want to add a long list of numbers without typing each one, you can use the sum formula. Example, if you have numbers in A1 down to A10, click a cell and type this, equals sum A1, A10. Then press enter. That formula tells Sheets to add everything from a 1 down to a 10 at once. Formulas always start with the equal sign. That is important. Anytime you want Google Sheets to calculate something, start with equals first. The good thing is if you later change any number in the cells, Google Sheets will automatically update the result. So that is how to create simple formulas in Google Sheets. Equals sign, the cell values, then the math symbol like plus, minus, multiply, or divide. And if you have many numbers, use SUM to add all of them at once. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.